Need to manage rental, lease, loan, trial, or demo equipment on Salesforce? Make it easy with Ascent Rental, built natively for the Salesforce platform. Ascent Rental extends your ERP capabilities with seamless rental order management from reservation to return. Plan smarter with a reservation calendar that shows booking durations, availability, and demand by item, order, or location. Use the Rental Master to analyze, forecast, and organize equipment usage so you're always a step ahead. Track every item, kit, or serialized asset, real-time rental inventory, activity, and pricing all at your fingertips. And when it comes back, process planned early or late returns with inspection tools that reduce revenue leakage. Minimize downtime with work orders to inspect, clean, calibrate, or refurbish before your next rental. Trusted across manufacturing, healthcare, high-tech, and nonprofits, Ascent Rental powers operations from warehouse to field. Companies like Tobii Dynavox, Clinical Inc., CSS, and more utilize Ascent Rental to achieve Operations 360 degrees on Salesforce. Search for Ascent Rental on AppExchange or contact us for a tailored demonstration for your organization.